teach dance, and I teach dance to what people describe as non-dancers, but I think everyone's a dancer. But like, what I mean is that these are not professionals who make a living doing dance. And during the pandemic, we saw from the people that that signed up for online classes, the role that coming to the dance classes had in their lives pre-pandemic. And then as soon as things opened up in 2021 and in the fall, the classes filled up. And I did like a performance group. 20 people signed up and stayed for 3 months. They wanted to prepare something, work together, perform. It was an all levels group. They said, you know, at the end when we were, you know, giving our little closing, that this had been, that they had looked forward to this every week as a place where they could move their bodies, be creative, connect to themselves, connect to other people, that this was something that was important for their mental health. You know, and I know that that's true for people who play music, people who play music with other people. You know, the act of playing music with other people or singing with other people, it creates energy, you know, that we really need as human beings. We're not just like robots where like you put in the food and the robot goes, you know. Like, it took me such a long time to realize that that my voice, no matter what it is that I'm doing, whether I'm singing or writing or dancing, that my voice is important in the grand patina of the universe. Like, if kids realize that young, that their voice matters, that it's important what they do and what they think and what they're saying, I think that we would have a lot more happy people.